Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. My last video was, I think, 1 month ago. So this time it's again tech time. For those who watched my last video, What's in My Bag, you saw that I brought a lot of stuff. But actually the only camera that I used was the Ricoh GR3, my Ninja camera. My kids, they were using the Fujifilm Instax. And for video, mostly I used my iPhone. So why did I brought so much gear and I didn't use it? I had my drone, I had 3 lenses, I had my camera body, the Sony A7C, I had a tripod with me, I had a remote, I had so much stuff, but I didn't use it. So at the end I just carried bricks in my camera bag, but I just used the teeny tiny cameras. Actually, this one is a very good one, very good quality. I like the images. I think when you followed my channel, you saw also my Ricoh GR3 video. So just check it out again. I will link it in the description or just here or here. But I realized after the vacation, do I really need it? Shall I sell it? Maybe I just should replace it or trade it in. That's why I decided yesterday to pack all my stuff, clean it up, get it ready. I got already an offer from MPB, so that's why I put all my gear, so all the big Sony stuff on the list to trade it in. Maybe to buy a Leica Q2 or maybe a Fujifilm X-H2S, or maybe I just keep the money. But first I show you what I got or what I packed. So this one is the 28mm. Then I got also the 40mm G lens. The 50mm size 1.4, /80mm 1.8, /24 1.4 GM lens, my Sony A7C in silver, the microphone ECM B1M, perfect audio, and my newly bought ATOL for vertical shots. Oh, my light went off, low battery. This one was also in one of my videos. Let's put it on here. Then also my drone, the Mavic Air 2. Then a Canon lens for my APS-C M50, this 22mm. And my old Pentax K3 Silver Edition. Did I forget anything? No, a remote. This is actually it. So I'm gonna sell maybe all of those, or maybe I keep 1 or 2 of those things. I don't know yet. but they are ready for shipping. And let's see in the next video what I got instead. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you're excited to see the next video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.